The use of artificial intelligence, especially chatbots like ChatGPT from OpenAI, is becoming a big step in tech development. It's making people talk a lot about the future of jobs, especially for programmers. These systems can do amazing things, from doing simple tasks automatically to writing code based on instructions. But experts agree that AI replacing human programmers completely isn't possible yet. One main reason is that AI, like ChatGPT, can replace programmers because it's limited. It struggles with creative processes, critical thinking, and understanding the context of problems that developers face. Experts say that even though AI can write code, it doesn't fully understand tasks and goals like a human with deep knowledge and experience does. However, chatbots in programming bring huge chances to make work better. ChatGPT and similar tech can speed up development by offering code templates, helping with debugging and testing, and making it easier to find information and solutions for common problems. This lets programmers focus on the more complex and creative parts of their work, improving overall efficiency and innovation in software development. But it's important to remember that AI tools need human judgment and control. Issues like copyright and software safety are still important, highlighting the need for programmers' deep knowledge and professionalism. In this context, AI like ChatGPT acts more as an extra tool, not as a replacement for human intellect and creativity. With the current state of technology and its rapid growth, the role of a programmer is evolving, not shrinking. Programmers will keep making new software solutions and will be crucial in integrating AI into various aspects of life, making sure technology benefits society and helps with progress. And this new tech world, where humans and machines work together, artificial intelligence becomes not a threat but a valuable helper, pushing the limits of what's possible in programming and beyond. Thanks to everyone who watched the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe and like. See you in the next video. Bye!